In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your GoDaddy domain with WP Engine, a crucial step if you're looking to pair your domain with a powerful hosting solution. We'll walk through this process step by step, ensuring that you can seamlessly link these services and have your site live with minimal hassle. First, you'll want to log into your WP Engine account. Within the dashboard, navigate to the section labeled Sites. Here you'll click on your specific site and then move on to the Domains tab. This area is where you'll add your GoDaddy domain. If you're not quite familiar with WP Engine's interface, don't worry. It's designed to be intuitive. Once you're in the right section, look for an option that says Add Domain and give it a click. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your GoDaddy domain name. After typing in your domain, click Next to proceed. This step is straightforward, but it's important to double check your domain entry to avoid any connectivity issues later on. Now, WP Engine will present you with essential DNS details. These could be either CNAME or A records depending on your configuration. It's vital to keep this tab open, as you'll need to reference these details shortly. With your WP Engine tab still open, head over to GoDaddy. Log into your GoDaddy account and go to the My Products section. Under Domains, locate the domain you wish to connect and click Manage DNS. This will allow you to access and edit the DNS settings of your domain. In the DNS settings, you're going to update existing entries or add new records. Begin by editing your current A record to point to the WP Engine IP address provided in the previous step. Alternatively, if WP Engine has given you a CNAME, add it as specified. Typically, this could be something like yourenvironment.wpengine.com. This step is key as it directs your domain traffic to your WP Engine hosted site. Don't forget to save all changes before moving on. Any unsaved progress can result in connection issues later, so take a moment to verify everything is correct and click Save. Once your changes are saved in GoDaddy, return to your WP Engine dashboard. Here, you'll need to verify that the connection is successful. WP Engine offers a Verify Connection option to check if everything is set up correctly. It might take a bit of time for changes to propagate, so don't be worried if it isn't instantaneous. Lastly, consider adding an SSL certificate within WP Engine. This step isn't mandatory, but is strongly recommended for security purposes. Under the SSL section, add certificates to ensure your site is secure for users. And that's it. You've successfully connected your GoDaddy domain to WP Engine. With these services linked, your website is ready to thrive on a robust platform. Thanks for joining me today, and happy hosting!